Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Definition of a crane transfer system. In order to address the risk and define best practice for crane transfer operations, it is necessary to consider all elements in the system. Each part of the system should be evaluated on its own merit. And finally, the interactions of the various elements of the whole system should also be evaluated. 1. Applicable legislation standards and codes. There are a range of statutory requirements, industry codes, standards, and guidelines which may be applied to crane transfer operations. Some of these codes are quite specific in the design of equipment, such as cranes and personal carriers, and others provide more general advice on best practice. Not all such guidance, however, reflects recent change in the industry or represents current international best practice. 2. Offshore installation cranes used for transfer of personnel may be positioned either on fixed or floating structures, such as platform, jack-up, semi-submersible, VPSO, or berth. On floating structures and vessels, the stability in varying sea conditions affects the movement of the crane boom tip, strongly impacting the dynamics of the lift. The lifting path, line of sight to the vessel, and installation landing areas may vary greatly from site to site. 3. Crane. A crane suitable for personal transfer should be certified for lifting people. Other relevant risk factors are the crane location relative to vessel landing areas and the prevalent weather. The crane operator view, lifting path, line speed, and rigging. For vessel, a wide range of vessels are employed in personnel transfer, from large specialist offshore support vessels to small crew transfer vessels. Vessels with suitable cranes can transfer personnel to other vessels or structures. In a case, vessel stability, station keeping, deck landing area, and visibility from bridge should all be accounted for in assessing the suitable for each vessel and the operational risk. 5. Personal carrier only device designed specifically for the purpose for transferring personnel between vessels and offshore installations should be used. This may be collapsed standing baskets, rigid standing or rigid seat device. Work baskets should not be used for the transfer of personnel between vessels and installations. 6. Personnel. The safe conduct of crane transfer operations requires the close collaboration of several different parties. Because it is conducted between a vessel and installation, two different organizations and work cultures are involved. Each party has specific responsibilities, pressures, and consideration to deal with. Thus, managing the risk effectively requires the close collaboration in both the planning, preparation, and conduct of operations. The person in overall change is normally appointed by the asset manager or vessel master and must ensure that the personnel involved have the relevant competence to conduct operations safely. Competence often has a specific meaning, and the term competent person can have a specific definitions. Where used in this document, it is signifies that persons have sufficient practical and theoretical knowledge and experience of the lifting equipment to perform their duties safely. The duty holder is a statutory term in health and safety legislation and can be accompany an individual. They are responsible of things being done correctly or portrayed. In the oil and gas industry, it is the operator of a fixed installation and the owner of a mobile installation. Key roles involved in crane transfer operation include onshore management, onshore operations manager, often supported by safety advisors, are usually responsible for evaluating risk and defining the transfer methodology to be used and making the appropriate provisions of equipment and process. Logistics. Onshore and offshore logistics staff coordinate passengers' bookings, briefings, luggage security, and the issue of appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE. Offshore management, the manager for the installation or vessel where the crane is located, is normally in overall control of individual transfer operation and conducts local one-side risk assessment with the support of the crane operator and vessel master prior to any transfer. The manager should also consider and if need risk assess other installation activities that could affect crane transfer activities. An employer has a duty to provide a safe working environment for a seaman. This includes making sure your crew is well rested and is able to fully and safely complete their assigned tasks, ensuring that scheduled shifts allow enough time to get restful and restorative sleep is important. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.